KashKick sign-in failures usually come from mismatched login sessions, outdated app versions, or browser and device settings blocking the authentication request before it completes. By the end of this, you'll know the exact reasons KashKick refuses to sign in, the fixes that actually work in order, and what to check first so you don't keep repeating the same login attempts. Start with the most common issue. Most sign-in failures happen when the app or browser is trying to use an old session that no longer matches the server. So the login request gets rejected immediately. First fix is clearing cache and saved login data. Stored credentials or corrupted session files can block a fresh login, especially if you've switched devices or recently updated the app. After clearing, restart the app and sign in again, manually. Second fix is checking your internet connection stability. A weak or switching connection can interrupt authentication requests mid-process, which makes the login fail even if your password is correct. Locking to one stable network removes that interruption. Third fix is updating the KashKick app or refreshing your browser. Outdated versions sometimes break login compatibility when back-end authentication rules change. Using the latest version ensures your login request matches current server requirements. Fourth fix is disabling VPNs, ad blockers, or privacy extensions. These tools can interfere with tracking and authentication scripts, which can stop the sign-in process before it completes. Turning them off temporarily can immediately resolve the issue. Fifth fix is resetting your password. If your session token is corrupted or expired, a password reset forces the system to create a fresh authentication session. Now here's what actually matters if nothing is working. Repeated sign-in failures usually mean your device is stuck with conflicting session data or blocked authentication requests. That's why cache clearing and network stability fixes solve most cases. If the issue continues, uninstalling and reinstalling the app forces a full reset of all stored login states. Summary: KashKick sign-in failures are usually caused by outdated sessions, cache conflicts, unstable connections, or blocked authentication scripts. Most fixes work by resetting session data and restoring a clean login attempt. Fresh sessions equal successful sign-in. Next step: start with cache clearing and network locking before trying a password reset, since those fix the majority of login failures. Like and subscribe for more clear, no-fluff fixes for apps that actually work when they stop logging in properly.